Hello and good day. This is the daily analysis of the GBP/USD pair for February 18th. In the past day, the price faced selling pressure, and after liquidity was collected, it closed towards the lower side of the range. The overall context for the GBP/USD pair is bearish. From a fundamental perspective, let's examine the DXY index, which gained strength in the past day, and alongside the release of economic data. Yesterday, the claimant count change data was released, and contrary to forecasts and even its previous figure, it showed a higher number. Also, by looking at the average earnings, we see that based on the forecast and the previous figure was lower, which led to a significant weakening of the GBP. By examining the average weekly earnings, we see that compared to the past few months, it has reached its lowest level. This amount of wages cannot cover inflation, and if we take a very detailed look at the current unemployment rate figures, we can clearly see that the rate has reached its highest level in the past 3 years, which is especially apparent when we compare these numbers to the start of early 2025. Previously, the unemployment rate was sitting at 4.4%, but now it has surged significantly to reach its highest point at 5.2%. Also, by examining the strength of the currencies, we see that the USD has been the strongest currency in the market over the past 48 hours, followed by the euro, and finally, the GBP has had the weakest strength. All these factors together have led to a bearish outlook for the GBP market. By analyzing the 4-hour time frame of the GBP/USD pair, we can see the price movement, which we predicted would reach the fair value gap area. However, due to the selling pressure on the price, it eventually entered the order block zone. For the rest of the day, our prediction was that the price would move downward. If the downward trend continues, it could stop at the rejection block, and this is correctly identified. With an MSB or market structure shift, the price could move upward to collect the buy-side liquidity. However, if selling pressure increases significantly, along with a decrease in GBP strength and an increase in DXY strength, the price could reach lower targets, with the next area being the 1.3452 level of the 4 HPD order block. And finally, the optimized daily order block area, which consists of 4 levels, is located at the 1.3354 level. By analyzing the Multi RSI indicator from TFlab, we can see that the price movement has entered a high potential area and has reached its lowest level in recent times. This indicates increased selling pressure and the continued weakening of the GBP, which we can use this indicator as confirmation of the trend. Consider as a bearish trend, which indicates the continuation of the downward movement. By analyzing the 1-hour time frame of the symbol, GBP/USD, we can see that after a consolidation phase, the price moved upward. It collected buy-side liquidity and eventually reacted to the fair value gap area. And it is currently forming a pinbar candle, which we can use this opportunity to enter a sell position in line with the overall market context trend. And we avoid trading against the trend or on bullish moves. We only look for trading opportunities in sell positions, and this could be a suitable setup. The entry point is on the candle's close, or if we want to reduce risk, we can wait for the next candle. If the next candle is bearish, we enter the position. We set the stop loss behind the swing or behind the FVG zone. We set the target at a risk-reward ratio of 1:1, 1:2, or at a market order block zone. Wishing you success and profits.